are these two equal? So matrices actually do satisfy this distributive property. Okay, so you can distribute it like this. So I guess they want us to verify. So this here, P plus Q I. So you gotta add P and Q first. P and Q, let's be added up. Okay, this plus this is 4, then 4 again here, 4 again here, and 0 there. And you're multiplying that to I, the identity matrix. Okay. So this is actually gonna not change this matrix, 4, 4, 4, 0. Okay, and then if you do P plus PI plus, right, QI, this actually does not, the I doesn't change P and Q. It's the same as just P and Q, but I just did P and Q right there. Okay, therefore, it's true.